Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Colorado County in southeastern Texas, eastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Waller County in southeastern Texas, until noon Central Standard Time. At 11:22 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Eagle Lake, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sealy around 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. San Felipe around 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cat Spring. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado